G'day, how you going? Hope everyone is well out there and welcome back to the channel. I've should have been prepared. I was going to do a review on these a little while ago, and in fact, well, it was a very long time ago because of the postage delay and everything like that, but I could pretty well sum it up now. They're good. They're so good, in fact, that I 3D printed cases for them, and I have two. Whoop. So these are worth getting. A great cheap little camera. However, with the first one that I got, I had a bad camera module and it was short focused. So as you'll see in a second, it's hard to tell during flight footage, but it was definitely noticeable once you got back to the editing desk, and there's a picture coming up that I'll show you soon, which really illustrates the focus issue. Anyway, RunCam were really good, and they got back to me very quickly by email, and they sent me a new lens module. So I have made a video for you to show you how to replace the lens module in a RunCam 5 orange if it goes bad. And also, pro tip, if you're building, I'll show a little photo of this as well. Don't let solvents go near the back. Also, because there was a solvent sprayed in here on a lacquer to sort of fix up some bad print in the bottom, and there's a plastic coating on here which will come off, and so just don't let solvent go near the back. Anyway, let's get to the footage. Okay, so here we are at the bench. I've got the foam from the original box there to help me protect the camera screen while I'm undoing this. Torque bit out. There's not a lot of torque on those. Okay, bit more torque on that one. Okay. This is why you shouldn't chew your nails off. They're actually extremely useful. Imagining that'll help. It's being extremely cautious in my ingress. Sorry, I didn't know where to put that. There we go. Okay, that's great. Don't tell me that's held down by that next layer, is it? I think it might be. So I'm going to need that flathead. Let me focus this for you. So can you see? It has a lip just there, which holds down the second board. So they need to come out as well. And it looks like the screw just in a plastic, so that's where the nose was. You see here, see these little bits of metal? Definitely want to clean those off before you reassemble. Okay, so we're at board number 2, and it is now loose. It feels like the whole assembly is somewhat loose now. Definitely is. Sorry you can't see what I'm doing, but there you go. I must say, credit to RunCam. This is quite a package. I mean, look at that. Now, is that battery user serviceable? Alright, so now I need to get in there and undo. That's one of the screws holding the camera down. Kind of unfortunately, the other screw is a little bit covered by those battery lines. There's 3 screws in it? Yep. I might end up putting this back together with only 2 screws, because that one might be a complete pain to get in. Oh, actually I could use 3 screws just on the other side. Yep. When in doubt, shake it out. So 3 screws, it's novel, isn't it? Now we'll have to get it out. It all likes to go back together, like so. And it'll all go in, like that. Alright. Remind me if I forget, please. What I have to do now is take that, not lose it. Let's get it. Okay, that's how that works. Old, out of focus, for looking at ants. New, in focus, for flying. Well, I'm hoping it's in focus. That would truly be annoying if it wasn't. Now, before it goes in, make sure it's absolutely sparkling. Look at this thing. I gotta say, these connectors are a miracle. Look at them. Look at it. Tiny. It's so small. Oh, you know what? It's glasses time. Just a side thought. RunCam, you could make this little plug handed. Clicks in with a solid click, doesn't it? Like clonk, clonk. And it would facilitate not getting it wrong putting it back together. I have to facilitate you going in there. This is where the glasses stop helping. Now the really fun bit. My magnet's too big for my screwdriver. What does he mean? He means this is not going to bloody work. So I want to magnetize. Wait, ta-da! Can't remember who I picked that off of, but most recently a person I've seen doing that is AVE. He's a smart man, that guy. Alrighty. Now, the tricky bit. Stick on there, you. Did I miss a trick? I missed a trick. Oh. They screw in those first. That's the trick. Do I pull it out? Put them all in? I think it will. One more back. It's not really two-time use tape, that. Okie dokie, so put them in there before. Alright, to get it like factory. Shouldn't that have 4 screws? We put these screws in. You can see I'm putting preemptively through those holes. Oh, I see why it was 2 on this side. Clean the ruddy thing again and put it in. I don't like using the pliers in here, but it does seem to be what I... Three down. What's that for? That. What's that for? Let's zoom back out. Seem to want to go in. Is that because of the... I see. And it rests on that. So it's all balanced on that piece of foam behind the camera, which makes that foam a fairly important bit, I would have thought. This is going to be fun. Sorry, I don't know how much I missed this bloody camera. Now this side has to go down a bit more. So I was just saying, you've got to make sure that this side of the board is positioned correctly for the SD card, and that this side of the board is far enough down for the USB port to be in the correct place. And there we have it. Okay, these can Go back on. Oh, this has got to sit under there, doesn't it? Indeedly. Chuck in 2 of these for now. And the moment of truth. Actually, I haven't charged this for weeks. Where's this cord? Come here. Okay, before it dies, quickly film something. Hello. There's the roof on the side of the room. This side of the room. So close. So noisy long range. And turn it off. Let's go have a look. Well, there you go. As you can see, it has made a great difference to the quality of the focus there, and I'd like to thank RunCam for sending that through. I hope you've enjoyed the video and found this useful. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button to let YouTube know you want to be notified when I put out new videos, which I put out weekly as well. Have a great day out there, and stay well.